guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are all doing well. So today's video is going to be a review and a demo of my Shark corded upright hoover with anti-hair wrap. So yeah, I recently purchased this around about 2 weeks ago. I picked it up in Currys for £230. It had £130 off, and I have been using it for the last 2 weeks, giving it a really good trial, and just wanted to kind of do this video and give you kind of my thoughts on my new purchase. Okay, so the most important thing about this hoover is the fact that it has the new anti-hair wrap system. So it basically claims to remove hair from the brush roll, so you don't have to. So it does this with long, short, and also with pet hair as well. Now, I am currently 4 months postpartum, and I'm in that stage now where I'm losing my hair constantly. I also have a Labrador that I absolutely adore, but oh my goodness, he sheds all of the time. So I really do need a good hoover that is going to work with the fact that we're both shedding like crazy. And yeah, I've given this a really good trial over the last 2 weeks. So it's got the anti-allergen complete seal, which basically means that 99.9% of all dust and allergens basically goes into the machine and they do not come back out again, which is brilliant for you guys who are possible asthma sufferers, or for people who just have allergies in general. Yeah, it's always good to kind of have the anti-allergy feature on the hoover. You also have a Duo Clean, so that is the one floor head, but it's got 2 brush rolls, so it's good on the hard floors as well as the carpet. Now, I actually have carpeted upstairs, but my downstairs is all laminate, so it is literally a hard floor downstairs. So I really need it to be good on both carpets and hard floors. And then it also has different attachments that come with the hoover, which make, you know, picking up cobwebs, getting into those crevices that you just can't get into, possible. So I'll show you those in the demo section. Okay, so like I say, it has been 2 weeks where I have been using this machine, and I thought that my Shark cordless hoover was good, and then I picked this bad boy up. It is so good. It is huge compared to my Shark cordless. In fact, on the demo, I will show you the difference between, you know, the floor heads. It's a massive machine. I have been so happy with the carpets. I find that it's lifting my carpets up. I've tried it on the short pile as well as the thick pile setting, and honestly, my carpets are so clean. In fact, the first day that we got it, Martin had done the upstairs for me, so he'd gone and done the upstairs with my previous hoover that broke, and then we went upstairs with this, and it literally filled up the whole dust cup of dog hair. Yeah, and we did it again and again. It did the same thing, and then the third time there was nothing coming up, so there was barely anything coming up. So the suction on this machine is absolutely fantastic. I always love my carpets to have a slight lift when they're getting hoovered. I just find that is it's, you know, a sign that it's a really good machine, and that is a really powerful suction, and that is what I need. I also find on the downstairs, so my laminate floors, my wood flooring, that it is picking up everything. Now, it still has the lights on the very front of the machine, which it has with my corded, and honestly, a lot of people have kind of laughed and said, why on earth would you need lights on a hoover? But there are so many times when I have hoovered in the past, put the thing away, and then I've realised that there's bits still left on the floor, whereas the lights, they highlight anything that you have missed. So I just find that my floors are looking fantastic. They are looking really clean, and after my hoover's put away, I'm not having to get it back out again, which is always win-win. I've been loving the powered lift away, so the fact that I can use this on my stairs and it's not a balancing act. It's brilliant. It really is so good. It's going to be a fantastic hoover to have for the car. So yeah, it's just just having these little features to it is just absolutely fab. And also you can pull the full brush head off the top, so you can actually stand and do all the cobwebs on the top of your ceilings without having to stretch and overreach. It's just effortless, it just does it for you. So the only negative that I would say about this machine is it is extremely heavy. So yeah, it is quite a big piece of equipment. I think if you was elderly and you was looking at getting a Hoover like this, it might be a little bit awkward. But yeah, that is literally my only negative that I can say. Now I'm going to do a demo for you guys, and we will have a look at the Hoover head once the machine has stopped. So what I want to see is just to see if there's any hair trapped in that brush roll. Like I say, I have not checked the brush roll, I've not removed the brush roll, I've not cleaned it in any sort of way over the last 2 weeks. So, and it's had a good 2 weeks worth of use. So I think that might be a really good way of showing us whether the anti-hair wrap system actually does work. So guys, let me stop babbling now and let's just get on with the demo, and I will show you all the key features of what this Hoover does. So guys, I was really skeptical about the anti-hair wrap, but here we are. So this is the part that normally is absolutely covered with my hair and with my dog's hair. And as you can see, it's literally clear. There's one tiny little hair there, 2 there, but yeah, absolutely brilliant. Okay, so here is the difference between the cordless and obviously this bad boy. So this is a hell of a lot bigger. Yeah, it's like there's no comparison really, it's huge. So guys, I hope that you have enjoyed the demonstration of the Hoover. Honestly, I am so pleased with it. So my final thoughts are brilliant suction. The anti-hair wrap system really works, and believe me, my house is most probably one of the best houses to do and to try the anti-hair wrap and to show that it does work. So I'm blown away by that. And like I say, it just is a very good Hoover. The only bad point is it is a little bit heavy. So if you are an elderly person or you are on the very small side, then you might struggle. But yeah, all in all, I'm really happy. If you have enjoyed this video, then don't forget to give it a massive thumbs up, and I will see you in my next one. Thank you so much for watching.